Hi guys, this is Wasim Skandar with another video. I hope you all are doing well. In the last video, I have explained that how you can start your Amazon journey, what you should keep in mind, what kind of instructions, what kind of budget, what kind of things, and so on. So today we will discuss that about regarding the Amazon ads, PPC, pay per click. Many of you are not aware of PPC, uh, pay per click. Many of you are aware from Amazon apps, PPC, pay per click. PPC means pay per click. Pay whatever you get the clicks. So today we will discuss on Amazon ads, PPC, that how what is the importance of PPC and why you should do that, why you should work on that, why you should learn this PPC for your Amazon business. Here I have a dummy account that it was created in Amazon UAE for one of my students. So I will share some kind of features and things that how you can work with that and what kind of importance and what you can do with your Amazon PPC while you're launching the product. Before launching any product, you should have done your keyword research done. You should have the keywords to launch keywords. You should have a proper keyword list on what you are going to target, who are your competitors, how you are going to manage this stuff. Okay, so here you can see that few features that management. There you can see all kind of campaigns, um, drafts, that some campaigns that you have not that you have created but not saved. You actually you save that draft, it will be here. Then budget, then targeting, then settings, then history, what actually you are doing, and how you are making some changes, the history like that. Here you can see the portfolio, that you can create a portfolio as well. This is my student has created a test portfolio. He just created. There is nothing in this account. It was just for learning purpose. He created this account for learning purpose, and we are not using it. So actually, in the Amazon UK and US, many things are similar, but obviously Amazon is updating every day, bringing new features every week, every month, and so many things Amazon is updating. So this is a UAE account. There is it is also getting updated time by time, same like as UK, US, Germany, like that. So here you can see, if you click here you can see the sponsored ad, campaign manager, bulk operations like bulk files. Here you can see the store. Here you can see the reports, like let me show you the search term report, and then here you can see the creatives. It is setting that it can show you access and setting billing payments. Here you can see the seller central and the Amazon selling tools, like that. Let's go to campaign manager. I'm recording this video. Today we are not going to do any work, but the thing is that today we will learn that what kind of campaign should we launch, what kind of things should we do before launching any campaign. First of all, you need to learn the PPC, that you should have at least basic knowledge that what kind of keywords in which campaign, in which match type, on which bid you are going to launch. Don't be a higher bidder, be a strategic bidder, because strategy is the most important thing. Conversion rate is very important thing. Win session percentage is very important thing. And there is so many things that, like click-through rate, CPC. Here, let me show you. Let me click here. Here you can see that your impressions, your clicks, which is very important. That cost per click, what is going on, and average it will show you here. If you are not, let's say if you are confused and not understanding what is it, PPC, here you can click here and read. This is the average amount you paid for each click on an ad. Notice, once identified, it may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your spend statistics. Date ranges that include spend from the last 3 days may be adjusted due to click and spend invalidation. So like this you can learn. Um, these are the most important things that you need to keep in mind, and how it's gonna how it will work and how you can bring the sales. Let's say you are getting impressions and impressions are not converting into clicks, and clicks are not converting into sales. You have to figure out that why it's happening. To figure out that, you need to work on your listing. To get the impressions, you need to make sure that your listing PPC is not gonna work unless your product, unless your listing, unless your content is very well optimized and very well than your competitors. And let's say you are getting impressions and then clicks, but not sales. Clicks are not converting into sales. There might be so many reasons. Nobody can tell you exact reason. Maybe your price is high. Maybe your price is low, but your quality is low. There is so many things. You are not getting impressions. Maybe your images are not well. Maybe you are not telling. Maybe you are not telling actually what you are selling, and maybe you are not telling that in which category you are selling. Maybe you didn't select the right category node that you should supposed to sell in that category. There are some new features as well that you can see here, and there is many more to come. You can add metrics here, any metric, and then remove also, and then add, remove. You can do that. It's not a big deal. So in another video, we will definitely learn that which keywords supposed to be launched in which match type and in which bid, and like which campaign and which match type. On the other hand, let me tell you that as I said that this is the all campaigns. I clicked here. Here you can see the portfolios. There is one portfolio. You can create the portfolio as well, right? XYZ name and then create portfolio. It will get created. Okay, and then come to the draft. Here you can see that there is no any drafted campaign. That tomorrow in the next video I'll show you that how actually it works. Budget. Here you can see that budget. What kind of budget? I mean, like, see, let me show. Oh, let me show you here. Here you can see that average time in budget. 100%, 100%. It's okay. Let's say if it was in minus, that means that budget it was not sufficient for this campaign. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Now let's get into targeting. Like what kind of targeting you are doing, it will show you here, and then here it will show you top performers, keywords, like that. And again you can add metrics here. And here are some settings, like you can use the campaign level budgets and use daily budget cap. You can use that daily budget cap. It will save your money. I will not save it because it is just a dummy account. I will not do anything. This is a history, like what you have did for suppose, like change level, change type, change from, change to, and date as well is there. Date, time. You can see here. So as I have explained that you need to understand this all features, and you need to understand the PPC before launching any keyword, any campaign. In the UK and US you can use the tools to research the keywords, and again you need to keep in mind who are your competitors. If you do not have figure out your competitors, So you are gonna survive. Like you cannot compete every competitor. You cannot compete every competitor, but you can compete with few competitors, and you can win the game. It is always depends upon you. You wanna play on top of search. You wanna play on product pages or rest of the searches. But the thing is that you should uh, keep your organic. You need to work on your organic ranking. Again, make sure that top of search is always expensive. Product pages, it's okay. The more percentage you increase, the more money you will spend. It is simple stuff. Conversion rate is very important. Click through rate is very important. Impressions are very important. Clicks are very important. Spend sales are very important. A cause is very important. A cause is very important. You have to keep these all things in your mind. Before that, you are not gonna get into this. So today we are not going too much into this, and in the next video I will show you that what kind of campaigns you need to create, and I will explain that how you can get the keyword list and so other things. Uh, you can join my PPC workshop as well. 5 days. It's a paid workshop. It's a 5 days paid workshop. You can join that, and you can refer to your friends as well. You can join my Facebook group, my LinkedIn, my Instagram, my website. It will be the links are mentioned in the description. You can reach out to me. You can book a free consultation, 15 minutes call as well to get the consultation for your PPC. Thank you so much for watching.